use our hose pliers here, grab our vacuum port on our EGR, and wiggle that free and slide it off. Next, we're going to use a 13mm gear wrench and remove the nut down on this side here, and then right on the opposite side, just to the right of this vacuum port here, there's another 13mm bolt underneath. Let's go ahead and loosen these. And we did apply a little bit of spray lube to this here to loosen up that rust. Using our open-ended 13mm wrench, we're going to go around the back side and loosen this up. We're able to get our nut loose and remove that the rest of the way by hand. Now we can go ahead and take the EGR. I'm going to loosen that, pull it straight up. Not only going to remove the EGR, but you want to remove the gasket that is there. I'm going to go ahead and use some solvent, and we're going to clean our gasket area here. I want to make sure that we have a nice smooth area for our gasket to set on. Let's go ahead and set our gasket into place. Now when you install this here, you want to pay attention that this here does pivot your vacuum port. So lining this up, you have the two little dimples right here. You want to match that up with the gasket itself. Good, line it up, it'll drop down into place. Let's go ahead and get the nuts started. And we'll go ahead and tighten those down. Using our gear wrench, we can go ahead and snug this side down. Once it gets snug, just give it a little bit more. And then come around to this side here. We'll go ahead and tighten this nut down. Once you have the two nuts tightened down for this here, locate your vacuum port. Go ahead and line this up and slide this on.